Hi friends, myself Premon and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Today I am back with my Server 2013 Exchange Server 2013 installation in Server 2012. This is a part 2, and primarily I just show you how to install or enable the features of Windows Server 2012. Now I will show you the installation process. Okay, I already told you ADDS, DNS and IIS services must be enabled, and I just make some videos of that also. Primarily you must go to the UCMA runtime setup. You will get this in Microsoft site freely, run as administrator. If you have a network, then you can I will show you. Just type Microsoft you can see here it is easily available. You'll easily get this from the Microsoft site. There is no charge for this, it is free software. And the second one is filter pack, and it is also easily available. There is no issue, and I will show you filter pack. Okay, you can see here 2010 filter packs from official site. Just download this and then you just type SP1s. Okay, you can see it is also available. Everything is freely available. And now I will install filter pack 2010. You can see here I'm just doing this. Okay, next, I accept, next. Just download these things and start your installation. You can see here it is completed successfully. Now I will install the service pack 1. You must know that primarily you must install the 2010, then only do this. It's fine. And you can see here I just do, oh sorry, now I will install this one also. This one is not a main thing. If you want this, you can install this, otherwise you can just leave this. There is no need. Okay, thank you. You can see here primarily I test install UCMA runtime setup, then filter pack SP1. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. I will post my third video as soon as possible. Thank you.